Today I'm covering XRP and what I think it will do in the short term of this week and the coming month. So here we have XRP, and if we scroll out a bit you will see that it's been in sort of a year, 2 year long consolidation. We've had these huge spikes up and down, but overall the price really hasn't moved in any single direction of up or down, whereas BTC, ETH, any other real altcoin has seen an increase. It's been in an uptrend, it's been in a downtrend, but XRP really has just been stagnant. It's been consolidating, and mostly due to its lawsuit, which now has pretty much ended. Like, we won the lawsuit, we got a spike, and then everyone expected it to climb to $3, $5, $10, like these huge price targets, which were obviously not going to happen. Like, the market cap on XRP is already massive. It's one of the top 5 largest altcoins, and people are expecting it to become bigger than Bitcoin in market cap, which is just not viable. So now we've obviously didn't reach the expectations, saw a dump, then just consolidated, and now July and August we got news of XRP only having to pay a certain fine for the SEC, which was slightly positive news, caused another pump, and after that we've just been consolidating down. So it's getting to the point where it's just trending of, we get news, we see a pump, and then we just dump or consolidate down, and it's becoming quite easy for traders to notice these trends and actually utilize them. So rather than permalonging XRP and other coins, you can just look to find out where the news is, wait for the news to arrive. Like, because XRP has so much news with the SEC and other stuff similar to that, there's deadlines to when they have to announce these things, and you can just wait for these deadlines, see the announcement, see the pump, and then just short. It really is quite simple, and that's what I think a lot of these traders have started doing. As you see, every time we get any sort of good news, we just see a dump, similar to what Dogecoin now is doing. After all of the Elon Musk tweets, it slowly dies down. After so much good news, the news just becomes irrelevant, and it's more about the price action. But if we zoom in here on the daily, we can see rough guides of where we should be buying and selling. So again, like, it's practically ranging, so it is very easy to tell. Like, we've dropped a bit below here, we've gone a bit above here, but this is the overall range. We want to be buying somewhere in this blue area from 47 to 50p, or 0.47 to 0.5 dollars, and we want to be selling somewhere in the vicinity of 0.6 to 0.62 dollars. So it's not really that big of a range, it's like 30%, which, if you go into a previous video of mine, like the Fetch AI one, for example, we did a call and it went from like 85 cents to $1.20, which is like a 50% increase. So those slightly riskier altcoins are seeing much better returns. So it's really a matter of how much you want to risk. But even with those riskier altcoins, I think it's still important to realize that after a certain amount of a drop, it really does become less risky. There's not much more it can drop to than that. And with XRP, obviously it's the same, but you're only utilizing 30% returns, whereas on another altcoin you could be getting 20% more, which does make a difference after you compound. So just to clarify, we'd be looking to buy somewhere in this blue area, and we'd be looking to sell somewhere in this red area, maximum like 63 cents. And then really, if you're super optimistic and super lucky, then you'd be looking at around 72 cents, and even then, that's the 50% gain, whereas on Fetch or another altcoin, 50% is the unoptimistic gain. It's where it will be going nevertheless, of whether it has to break through a specific target or not, simply because the hype is there. AI coins are being pumped up by Nvidia. Nvidia has become one of the largest companies in the world. It even overtook Apple for a few days. So yeah, you have to really follow the trend, follow the narrative, and AI is currently the narrative. So I wouldn't really be looking to buy or sell XRP. It's one of those coins that does just consolidate too much. Unless you are a range trader and you are happy with these gains, you could just be looking to buy, sell, buy long, short, and stuff like that, just in this range. And if that's your strategy and that's what you are looking to optimize, then go for it. I think it'd be a great idea. But if you are someone who's looking to utilize every single dollar and you're looking to really get those gains and you're not worried about risking slightly more, then I'd suggest looking at some of the other videos where we cover some of the other altcoins, and I'll be covering a few more altcoins as well. But nevertheless, I will be also covering XRP if we do get any important information, if we do come down to any of these important levels, and if we do break through any of these important levels, because that is another possibility also. So the plan, if you're looking to trade, again, will just be long or buy somewhere in this blue area, stop losses just below. If you're buying, then I'd honestly just look to hold, because it's not like we're going to fall much far below. You could just look to DCA at 38 if we do go much further below, and then looking to sell around 60, 63, maybe even 67. For the very long term, probably 82 cents if you're lucky, maybe $1, because $1 is a significant psychological target for a lot of people. But if you do want to get more trades, you want to copy my exact crypto long-term portfolio, then make sure to check out the Discord down below. We have everything in there. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye, guys.